Look at all the pumpkins.
Should we recklessly get one?
Yeah. Hello friends. We are heading out to Home Depot. Alright, so as you guys know, we spent the last 4 years going to school in Indiana at Purdue. And while we were there in the Midwest, which is not where we're from, we learned about cornhole, slash some people call it bags, but most of the people we know call it cornhole, so that's what we called it. And one of our friends' families had these like custom made cornhole boards, so we wanted to make our own cornhole boards, and no one here, like none of our friends or family really ever has played cornhole, so we decided to make a set for us to have out here, and they're Purdue themed, so we ordered Purdue decals, we ordered Purdue bags to go with them, and we're gonna paint them with like black and gold stripes and put the decals on. And so we started it like 2 months ago, and we cut everything. My grandpa was a woodworker. He was in his workshop woodworking until the day before he passed away at 95 years old. So he had some spare wood that we were able to use. So that's kind of neat that a little piece of him is in it, because he grew up in Iowa. So even though I didn't really have Midwest roots, I kind of did with him. So we cut everything. Robert brought all of his like big power tools and taught me how to use like, what did I think it was just the drill, but
like saws and stuff.
Yeah, but I still I learned, and it was fun, and we cut everything, and then we put it all together. But the wood wasn't perfectly straight because it was kind of just scrap wood that we had, so one of the bolts got messed up and we just haven't fixed it yet. So we are heading to Home Depot to go get the nut and bolt that we need, or wing nut and the bolt that we need, because Robert stripped the other one because it wasn't working. So we're heading down there now. It's already been primed with spray paint, but so today we're gonna fix the leg that's broken, and then we're going to put the first layer of white paint on. So we're gonna take you guys along our journey, and you'll get to see like the rest of the progress made on the cornhole set, and see like what it looks like as we're working on it until we get it done. So we're really excited. Robert just went through yellow light, but it's okay.
It was red.
Oh, was it really? Well, anyway, so yeah, here we go. Home Depot. We've been here how many times since we started this project?
Too much money.
Yeah, we've been here a lot since we started this, but it's gonna be worth it when it's all done. Got it.
Yeah, look at this thread. That's not what you want.
Oh geez.
Come on, Home Depot, step up your quality. Okay, just need a 1/2 inch wing nut.
I kind of just come along for the ride. I don't really know what's happening when we get stuff at Home Depot, so I just let him figure it out.
They decided to switch over to Imperial because they're idiots.
We're talking about the difference between the
They're
metric
so
and the
stupid.
tier.
Why metric and Imperial? Metric makes way more sense.
Because we can only
Everything
find
based on tens makes so much more sense than freaking 12 inches in a foot.
find metric wing nuts. Because he's still refusing to ask anyone that works here. I I don't like shopping with him. He's such a bad shopper.
No, I'm just a man and I refuse to ask for. I think it's because it's Domino's.
Okay, well, why don't you ask the guy? Just ask him.
Not this.
What are you looking for?
The non-galvanized.
Why don't it? You don't have to.
You're not supposed to be here on the
Here.
I need stupid little things today.
I know. I'm just getting. I'm a key.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
So I asked someone and he found it in half a second while Robert was still looking. I got it. That's what you get when you ask someone. Just one, right?
Where the heck was it?
They were hanging behind other sizes.
Okay, well that's not
Yeah,
my
no,
fault.
I know, but you still should have asked someone.
This has happened.
Yep. Look at it. It says it on it. What are you doing?
Last time they screwed me because it wouldn't fit.
Oh. Well, I did my part.
See the same problem. That's the same reason why the threads got stripped last time. Because
Okay.
it doesn't fit properly and I hit it.
So then do you need a bigger one?
No.
Why don't you go ask him and
what it probably
to
is.
understand? All right, we're going with
See,
non-galvanized.
that's how it's supposed to fit.
All right.
It's so stupid.
Well, we didn't tell them that it was galvanized. Whatever. We figured it out. Every moment is a learning moment. You ready? Let's go.
Self-checkout at a hardware store doesn't work because there's so many different little...
assistance in self-checkout.
Hi, how are you?
We did it! We made it! All right, time to head to my Graham's house to work on the cornhole board. All right, we made it. Okay, so here's what we have so far. As you can see, this one is broken, but the holes are cut out, everything's all set up. The other two are perfectly done. So let's see if Robert can fix it.
As we were leaving, I was worrying about this. The threads on this don't go all the way.
Okay. We may have another problem. We just can't finish this dang thing. It was
Look at
supposed to
this.
be fun.
Look at this. The threads don't go all the way, so I can
Okay.
only tighten the nut up to here,
Oh.
but it's not gonna clamp down on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jerry rig this and just put a whole bunch of freaking washers or nuts or something.
Okay.
Because I'm not going back down to the store.
So, as I mentioned, my grandpa was a woodworker, and he lived to be 95 and was woodworking every single day. And he also did a lot of other stuff like collect stamps, and he was just really awesome man. He was in the Navy.
Is this the beer that I bought him?
No, well, you bought that for my dad, and then my dad gave it to him. But this was his workbench. He literally was out here every day working on, is this the lathe or is that the lathe?
It's not gonna work.
One of these is a lathe. I don't know which one, but
Never fear.
anyway, Robert's working on figuring it out. But as I was saying, my grandpa was an incredible woodworker. He made like all of this stuff throughout his whole life. And he just passed away about 2 months ago. But it's cool that we kind of have his legacy here with his wood shop, and we get to keep using it and use the tools. And we're going to engrave something into the cornhole in memory of him. And yeah, so it's kind of fun being able to use everything that he's collected over the years and make it all work. I don't know what Robert's doing right now, but we'll figure it out and see if we can make the bolt that we got work, because apparently we are not very good at this. Look at this.
I'll have to clean up my mess.
He figured out a way to make it stay, and now it's all functional. Woohoo! That's why he's an engineer.
Still have to paint it and get a shorter screw because I don't like that little stupid spacer.
But it's better than not having it.
True.
So I think we're going to avoid painting it today because we're tired. It's like 4:30 on a Sunday, so.
I want to go sit on the couch until I have to go to work.
Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Robert's running away. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. Look at this awesome pumpkin that my grandma painted. She's so talented, and she painted that. She's 91.
My name is Robert.
So this is Robert.
No, it's not. It's a pumpkin.
You just said I'm not a pumpkin, my name is Robert.
Oh shit, didn't I?
All right, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We love you guys. See you soon.